When you're dealing with many tasks, it can be difficult to understand what's a priority, what's already done, and what's stalled. However, Planfix offers tools to help you organize all your tasks visually, drastically simplifying your workflow. Let's take a look at them. Task statuses. In Planfix, task statuses are color-coded, making it easier to navigate long task lists. For example, overdue tasks stand out immediately, but you can also create your own custom statuses. To do this, go to Account Management and select the object where you want to add a new status. Simply enter a name and choose a color. If you'd like, you can also add a hint to explain what should be done at this stage. When you're done, save the status. If needed, remove unnecessary transitions from other statuses. Next, set the order of statuses. You only need to click and drag to rearrange them. And if a status is no longer needed, you can delete it. As you can see, the new status is immediately available for use. Task Layout Setup. Planfix makes it easy to configure tasks so key fields are always visible. To do this, you just need to edit the object used to create the task. First, navigate to Account Management, Objects, Card. From there, open the Details section and drag the fields you need into place. This way, you always have quick access to the most important task information. Favorites. To highlight a task in a long list, use the Favorites icon. You can also mark a task as a favorite directly in its task card. Now, all important tasks are easy to spot at a glance. Planner. The planner displays tasks as cards, allowing you to see key details quickly. You can configure this when editing the planner list. Simply add or remove fields to create a clear and informative task card. You can also choose which fields appear on the card. This includes both system fields and custom ones you've created. With just a few simple steps, you can make all of your tasks in Planfix clearer, more structured, and easier to navigate. This is key to helping you focus on priorities and stay on top of your work.